Hello, Nail Divas. It's me, Princess D. And we are here today with, Bürano. We got Bürano here today. And I'm so excited because I already know what it is. It is their 2-in-1. And this is a nail drill, vacuum, and cleaner machine. So it's the e-file and it's already open. Huh. Oh my goodness, look. It's not like, it's everywhere. Here's the handpiece. It looks like it's in one piece still though. This is the safety bit to protect it until you get your bit in, and it does open very nicely, very easily. It doesn't give you a hard time, and it has these little nubby nubs on here which make it easy to turn as well, because I know I fight with mine sometimes, you guys, because I don't know if it's the right way or not the right way. Here are the bits. It feels like, okay, let's open this up. They're all over the place. It feels real gritty because of the sanding bands are all over. And let's see. Okay, I'll just put them. Well, I'll fix that later. I'll put that over here. To the side. Here's another one. Okay. And then there's an extra bit that they give you. It's a medium torch cylinder, which is really, really nice. They give you that. And let's just get this out of here. Oh, here's a brush. Thank you, Angelo, my assistant today. So I guess this is where the brush was supposed to set, along with the handpiece and the drill bits as well. That was supposed to sit down in here, I guess. But because this part was open, you guys, so like it wasn't attached with this piece in it or whatever. So hopefully everything works, because I have such bad luck with these things. So here's the little duster brush for after you do all of that. And then let's take this out. Gently, very gently. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, so let's examine it. Make sure everything is okay. Sorry. Okay, so the first thing is, I know, right? So here is the how to get one. Turn this over, learn more. That is what it says. If you want to screenshot that, that's the front. And then you also get the Bürano 2-in-1. And it tells you how to use it with their 8-step instructions. And then their tips. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Thank you. I got my videographer here. Okay, so this time the metal plate, thank goodness, was sent in a piece of styrofoam like, so that it didn't scratch it all up. It looks like a nice shiny brand new car. It's so pretty. It's like a rose gold kind of color. It's a little bit sticky here. Like, it looks like there was a piece of tape holding something down or something. Uh-oh, you guys. There's a scratch right here that I noticed. I don't know if you guys can see that on screen, but there's a scratch right here. And then there's some tape marks right here and right here and right here. I can feel it as on this side as well. Everything looks good underneath. This is the motor. Okay, and this is the filter. You just pop that out like that. And then you want to tap it into the trash. And then you can use a blow dryer as well. And like outside, you want to take the extension cord outside, or you got some outlets outside, and you use a hair dryer, and that's how you really clean it. And then here is the motor right there, so you could see that. And then this is a wrist rest for the client as they hold their hand over the machine. So let's put that back, and for now I'm going to leave that in there. And then this is the front of the machine. I was like, why is there a hole in it? But this is where you put the handpiece right here. When you're not using it, it goes right there. And then this is where you plug the handpiece in. So we might as well do that right now. Okay, so there's three. No, that's not where it goes. I don't think so. Yeah, it is. There's 3 prongs though, and there's 6 holes. I don't know if that's supposed to go there. Or maybe it will go there very easily. I'm such a goofball. Okay, so here's the gold dial. And this is all the way minimum and then maximum. And it has these little dots around here, but it doesn't tell you where all the way down is. So you just gotta know. Me, I will probably mark it right here so that I know where the start is, because it doesn't have a, it doesn't show you. And then this is for the power off and on, and it has a light for each one. Forward, reverse, there's a light for each one again. And then hand and foot, there's a light. So I guess if you push it once, it'll go to one, and you push it again, it'll go to the other. And then the on and off for the exhaust, if you wanted to use that to suck the dust up. So that is how it came, and I am going to go hook it all up, and we'll do a tester now and see if it works.